This is gonna blow your mind. We're breaking down Entra ID in just 60 seconds. So Entra ID, think of it like a digital passport for your company's apps and services. It keeps all your usernames and passwords safe and gives you easy access to everything you need. With Entra ID, you get single sign-on. That means one login for all your tools. No more juggling passwords or getting locked out. It's like a master key for your digital world. But wait, there's more. Entra ID also boosts security. It uses multi-factor authentication to make sure it's really you logging in. So even if someone finds out your password, they still can't get in. Plus, it's super easy to set up and manage. Your IT team will love you for it. So why wait? Make your work life simpler and safer with Entra ID today. That's Entra ID in a nutshell. Stay secure, stay smart.